Good morning, respected judges and everyone else who is viewing this video of ours. We are the students of PM Shri School, JNV Tinsukia. I am Ruchi.
I am Matilda.
I am Meenakshi.
I am Munjan.
I am Anushdip.
And we are delighted to present in front of you this prototype model of ours, the carbon footprint calculator for the Buildathon 2025-26 under the theme of Samriddh Bharat. We hope that our model will help in the Samriddhi or development of our country.
The carbon footprint is the total amount of gas released into the atmosphere, especially the carbon dioxide gas, due to various human activities. For example, driving a car for a kilometer emits about 0.2 kilograms of carbon dioxide. This gas traps the heat inside the atmosphere, which aids in the global warming and many other unpredictable weather changes. By understanding and reducing this gas, we can help in controlling the unpredictable climate, the rising temperature and the melting of glaciers, and especially in places like schools and industries where carbon dioxide is released in large amounts, we can help in controlling it.
जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं, ये हमारा कार्बन फुटप्रिंट मॉडल है। इस कार्बन फुटप्रिंट मॉडल को हमने दो सेक्शन में डिवाइड किया है। एक है स्कूल प्रेमिसेस और दूसरा इंडस्ट्री। फ्यूचर में हम इसको फर्दर डिवाइड करके और भी सेक्शन में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। इसमें वैल्यू पुट करना चाहिए। हमने एज्यूम करके कुछ वैल्यू पुट किया है, जैसे पावर यूजेस 8000, ऐसे नंबर ऑफ फैन, ऐसे कुछ वैल्यू हमने पुट किया है। उसके बाद कैलकुलेट करने पर ये हमें ये रिजल्ट मिला।
The result shows how much carbon dioxide emission in 1 month and the number of solar panels needed such that the carbon dioxide emission should be minimum. And the traditional energy cost, which like coals, natural gas, oil, etc. And the cost of solar panel and savings. Financially we are in profit. And it shows the reduction percentage of the global warming. Since it may not be accurate, but the idea should be applicable. Thank you.
It has many benefits, like it is helpful in promoting air quality and health. It is also helpful in conserving natural resources and gas, and it is also supports India's commitment to the Paris Climate Agreement. To conclude our carbon footprint calculator model, even small actions can make a huge difference, such as turning off fans and other electric equipment when not in use. Thank you.
This idea can be used by government to monitor the carbon footprint activities of different schools and industries and various sections, and can also used by the government to reduce environmental pollution of our country. Thank you. This was the idea of our model, a carbon footprint calculator.